A guide by rankedseo.com. Follow these steps to get a do-follow backlink from a DA91 website for free. Open the browser and enter flickr.com. Click on Sign Up. Enter the details one by one, and click Sign Up. Password should be strong, it should be mixed with letters, numbers, and special characters. Now, open the email, and click the confirmation link in the email. Sign in into the site. Click on Profile icon, and click Settings link. Click the Change at Profile section. Add website URL in the website field, and save the changes. Now copy the profile link, and open the link in private window, to check the backlink. Visit rankedseo.com for 1000 plus backlink guides. Use the code YouTube for a 10% discount.